make our Anzac biscuits, we're going to start off with half a cup of peanut butter, 1.5 cups of oats, 80 milliliters of cinnamon, and 2 eggs. Then we're going to pour in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then mix. Get the mixture on a baking tray and bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then remove from the oven and leave to cool for at least 10 minutes before serving.